graduates, a pleasant morning to all of you. My name is Daniel Ryan M. Pasero, and it is a great honor for me to stand before you today to deliver a short message on our graduation day. First of all, I would like to thank God for guiding and blessing us every day. Because of Him, we reached this special day. Today, we are very happy and excited as we graduate from kindergarten. As we move forward, we will carry with us all the things we have learned in school. Not only the alphabets, letters, and numbers, but also the happy memories we shared with our beloved teachers, classmates, and friends. To my classmates and friends, thank you for the fun memories and friendship. I will never forget you. To my dear teachers, especially Teacher Beatrice Elizabeth N. Santos and Teacher Jonah Espantayon, thank you for patience, guidance, and love. Thank you for teaching us, helping us learn new things every day. We will never forget you, all that you have taught us. To my loving parents, Mama and Papa, thank you very much for your love, care, and unwavering support. Thank you for always helping me, guiding me, and believing in me. You have taught me how to be a good child. Mama and Papa, mahal ko kayo. To my Ate Elisa May, my grandparents, my titas and titos, who loves and support me. Thank you very much. And to my fellow graduates, congratulations and mabuhay! Once again, thank you and good morning.